morning, friends. It's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I've gone shopping again on the beadboxbargains.com website. So I've done a couple hauls before that I've shared here on YouTube, and Beadbox Bargains is a sister site to Bargain Bead Box, which is a monthly bead and jewelry making subscription box that's awesome, and I'm not affiliated with them at all. I don't have any kind of relationship with them to do any of these videos. I pay for my subscription, my supplies, and all that, so I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. So sometimes they send discount codes to their site in the monthly subscription, and they sent a 30% off code for October. And their prices are already really great on that website, but to get 30% off on top of that, I mean, I have so much fun shopping on their site. They have amazing prices and really good quality beads. They have some gemstones, they have some Czech glass beads, some findings. I mean, it's not like the most vast bead selection in the world, but they have some really unique and very nice quality items for good prices. So it's always fun to check on their site periodically to see what's new, see what they have. Start off here with some bead caps that I received, and these are all about 99 cents for these little baggies. So I got some copper bead caps, some antique brass, some silver, some more antique brass. So really cute. I've been using bead caps quite a bit in my stringing projects, so I've been really running through them, and I've been using a lot more antique brass lately. I just like the finish and I like the look of it, and plus it's nice because you don't have to worry about it tarnishing. It doesn't change colors. I know some people have trouble with that. So here's some of the antique brass bead caps. So again, these were 99 cents, but then I got 30% off each of them, so it made it more like 70 cents. Really cute. I was really running through these. Here's some more. And then here's the antique copper. These are really cute. They're like little leaves. So sweet. Here's the silver ones, which we actually just received. These same ones, I think, in the September bargain bead box. And I liked them a lot, so I wanted to buy another bag of them. I'd already used them. Alright, and then what else? I purchased some things that I think were in their sale section, because I always like to check there because their prices are already really good, but then they have sale section, so I try to snap up some of those when I can, when I see some nice beads, and these are really cool. These are called 16mm Czech glass top drilled leaf beads in crystal shimmer, and they are so pretty. They're really glossy, so I thought those were really pretty, and just 79 cents. And then I purchased some 10mm fire polish beads, which I thought was pretty cool because I don't have 10mm. The largest I believe I have are 8 or 9s, but look at this huge strand. So these are called dark pink. Honestly, to me, they look like more of a peach. So just a heads up on that, which I don't mind. I think they're beautiful. They are so beautiful. So these were just $1 for this whole strand. And I've purchased like 8mm fire polish beads before, and the strands are probably like this long, from this finger to this finger. So to get this many, that's an awesome deal. And then I also purchased the 10mm fire polish beads in Deep Emerald. So this was also $1. The strand, you can tell, is like half the size. So it's just fine, still a good deal. And, you know, with the coupon, it was more like 70 cents. So those are really pretty, deep emerald green. And then another Czech glass bead that I found that was in their sale section was these faceted Cathedral glass beads in red and gold. So I thought these were really pretty. I love the shape of them, all the facets, and then you can see on either side they have that really pretty gold that's like brushed on looking. Alright, so then we get into some of their gemstone strands, and this strand is 15 inches of 12mm round gray agate beads, and these were listed as 70% off on their site. So the price on these was $5.69. It's a huge strand, and they're just a beautiful gray, a little bit translucent. I like adding to my gemstone beads collection because I'm getting a lot of glass beads in the subscription boxes, but it's nice to get deals on gemstone beads like this. So then I got some lapis lazuli, and I purchased 3 sizes. I purchased the 10mm, the 8mm, and the 6mm. So this one was $3.29, and then this one was $2.99, and this one was $2.59. So you can see these are just absolutely gorgeous. Put them close up so you can take a look at them. Such a beautiful blue color, very deep cobalt blue with little flecks of brown and black. So pretty. And then they were running a sale on some of their Freshwater Pearls. They had some that are called Midnight, a 15-inch strand of 8 to 9mm Freshwater Pearls for $4.19. So these were actually, I believe, out of stock the last time I made a purchase from Beadbox Bargains, but one of my awesome viewers had alerted me that these came back in stock, so I made sure that when I placed my next order with them that I would definitely snap some up because these are so pretty, and what an awesome price. Such a long strand. So these are the Midnight, I believe. They're just a really deep blue, almost black. And then I purchased 2 strands of the 8mm Freshwater Pearls in Dark Peacock, which has almost like a dark gray, purplish cast to it, but then there's like some flashes of iridescence, which is, I'm guessing, why they call it peacock. And these were $4.19 per strand as well. So I was excited to snap those up. And then finally, I added some spacer beads to my cart because I was getting low on the antique brass spacer beads, so these were only 99 cents for this whole bag before coupon. And I also added some antique bronze finish chain, and this is a meter of chain for 99 cents, and I got 2 bags of those because I use a lot of chain. If you've seen my finished jewelry updates lately, you've seen a lot of gemstone and chain stringing projects that I've done lately, so I had to add to my chain stash, which I was happy to do at such great prices. So that's what I received from beadboxbargains.com. So much fun to go on their site and see what they have. So for everything here, I spent a total of $35.22. The coupon took off $13.53, and the shipping where I am located in the US was just $3.75. My order came within a couple of days. I mean, it was really fast. So they have great shipping. Everything was packaged very well, nothing missing. I've shopped on their site a number of times, and I've always been happy And then last but not least, they sent me a little thank you gift, which they have done every single time I make a purchase, which I think is absolutely so sweet. So these are really cool. These are like a frosted glass bead, I believe. So those will be cool. I'm always happy to get free beads. I'm not going to turn that down, so that's always nice to get a little unexpected gift like that. So thank you guys for watching my bead haul. It was so much fun to unpackage it and see what everything looked like in person and to share it with you all. I can't wait to get creating and start making some projects with some of these gorgeous beads. And as always, I will make sure I share them with you in future finished jewelry update videos, and I hope you will join me for those. So thanks for watching as always, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!